Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, I love when my clients make it here on time, especially for Nailmas. I appreciate every last single one of y'all tuning into my videos on a daily basis just so we can have some content up until Christmas. You feel me? So, yeah, we getting straight into this nail set. I am doing some croc print on the tip of these nails. I've already prepped, primed, did my thin layer clear. All that's already done. We getting straight into the nail process right now, okay? And yes, my nail brush is bent, but I like it that way, okay? All right. As you can see, I'm being real precise. I'm going straight down the middle. Woo. Making sure, I'm trying to make sure that each line is the same distance between each other and from one side to the other side. So yeah, and then I go in and I put little notches on the side going in between the lines. And I do that on all 10 nails. I think I already said that. Maybe I didn't. But yeah, put the lines down the middle. Then I put the notches in between each of those on the sides. So yeah. And you put that in a nail lamp and let it dry. And then you can get straight into your ombre. So the color I'm using is Rosebud. I placed it on the screen so you guys can see it already. And yeah. You tap it in, tap it in, tap it in. Tame it, tame it, tame it. Bring it on down, bring it on down. This is an ombre. It's a little different. We gonna tame the top, bring it on down, bring it on down. When I'm doing my ombre, I like to place my bead, a small bead there first, just so I can build up my opacity in terms of it blending. And then I'll go up the nail. So my first bead is in the middle where there's no color and then where there's color. And I like to blend it down and then watch. Tame the top, and we're gonna blend it down. See, it looks like there's nothing there, but it's just building. Look at me, I don't like to waste nothing. I don't like to waste nothing. Oh Jesus. And it's just building my opacity so that it has an immaculate blend. Okay? Okay. Here come the fan. But it's because I've been working. So tame the top, seal it, seal it, seal it. You know the drill. Drop it, tame it, tame it, tame it. Bring it on down, bring it on down. Like I said, it looks like I didn't do anything, but that's because I'm building it up. Tame the top, tame the top. Bring it on down, bring it on down. Go to the next nail. We're gonna do the same thing. Tame the top. Bring it on down. Yep. Tame it, tame it, tame it. Bring it down, bring it down. And it looks so good already. And I will be encapsulating these, but I'm gonna be back when this fan goes off. And I'll be using Mia Secrets clear acrylic to do my encapsulation. So you know the drill. Pick it up, drain it, drop it, tame the top, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. Ain't nothing changed but the date, okay? Pick it up, drain it, drop it, tame it, seal it, seal it, seal it. Bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. Just that easy. Next, drain it, drop it, tame it, bring it on down, bring it on down. Just keep, like I said, repetition is key when it comes to doing these nails. Consistency is key. So yeah, drain it, drop it, tame it, bring it on down, bring it on down. And I don't know if you guys ever noticed when you're doing nails, sometimes the ombre may look harsh, but once you encapsulate it, it kind of softens it a little bit. So be mindful of that. Okay, and make sure you are turning your nails to the left and the right, up, down, just to make sure that you have the correct thickness or the thicknesses that you're liking, and you are avoiding lumps and bumps, because there are times where the client could be holding their hand to the side and maybe the acrylic is running off on the side. You know what I'm saying? Which is why I be holding their fingers tight. If your hand want to be twisted, that's fine, but this finger gonna be exactly how I need it while I'm putting this acrylic on there. Okay? Okay. Drain it, drop it, brush dirty, tame it, bring it on down, bring it on down. Probably about to switch the brush out because it's dirty. Drain it. Oh, I guess I didn't even drain that one, but I dropped it down. We're gonna what? Tame it and bring it on down, bring it on down. Clean it up. Keep the shape, keep that shape, baby, keep that shape. Yes, ma'am. All right, I'm gonna give y'all some music, and then I'll be back. now it's time to reshape. Y'all know I like to make sure that there is no acrylic sticking to the sides on my client's skin. And then I like to take my 88-degree hand file and I like to go side to side, side to side. And I like to make sure I focus where the tip of the natural nail meet because the acrylic tends to expand there. And then, guess what? I did these two nails, at least started on them. And then, guess what? My dang camera just shut off. And I didn't know what was going on with my sister. This is my sister. I'm doing my sister's nails. And we was just talking about something. But yeah, making sure I focus on the tip, where the tip of the natural nail meet, cutting down some of that bulk. But I seen that it turned off, and I was like, let me go ahead and record the other hand in since I didn't get that one. But yeah, hit it, making sure there's no acrylic touching the client's finger. And then I like to take that hand file and do my best. I do be going a little rough, you know what I'm saying? Because you're going to get it right, get it tight. Hit it. Yes, ma'am. Hit it. And as you can see, I will hold that file any kind of way. And I do like to go across the surface just to make sure there's no lumps and bumps. I flip the hand over, look at it from that angle. You need to be very observant and look at things from multiple angles when it comes to doing nails. It's kind of like hyper-focus. You need to be hyper-focused on these nails. Yes, okay to have a conversation with your clients, blah, 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 but not at the expense of having ugly nails, okay? So you need to be focused on these nails. You see them? They look real good. And I'm making sure that I'm getting them to look how I want them to look. They look good. Time to do the thumb. Hit it. I had to tell her relax. Hit it. Yes, ma'am. Making sure there's nothing hanging off on the sides. Making sure that, her tip is clear aside from the croc print on it. So that's also a thing. What are we doing? Oh, E-file. So this cuts off after like 2 or 3 fingers. And I don't get to seal the cuticles. So when I take my E-file, I like to use a penna sanding band and just knock off the scratches. And also I like to cut down some of the bulk around the cuticles. You guys can see that's literally what I'm doing. So I had to skip, and my camera died. That's why I don't have the ending of that. So my camera died, and then I had to switch phones so I could record on this. So this is different quality, as you can see. But yeah, I'm using some Gucci charms, and I used my cart rhinestone glue to adhere those to the nails. So yeah. Oh, if you guys made it this far, can you guys leave me a white heart in the comment section? If any of my clients is on this video, please leave me a white heart in the comment section. I don't know if y'all remember, but I'm calling all my clients from here on out. But yeah, and this video is old, but I'm getting all the content out, considering that I've been so negligent on this channel. So I still want to get you the content, which is why I'm doing Nailmas, so I can get you guys all the videos so we can upgrade everything and be really great. Okay, so the top coat I'm using is IBD gel top coat. I didn't like this top coat. It's not bad, just wasn't my fave. So yeah, take your time, do it right, do it tight. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. I don't want to sound like I'm begging, but I'm begging, baby. I'm begging, baby. You feel me? Alright, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and the finished product is at the end. And like I said, if you guys made it this far, leave me a white heart in the comment section. And I thank you so much for tuning in to another video for Nailmas. Bye.